Hi guys, so today I'll be telling you the top 10 characters from Call of Duty. So the first one is my favorite, that is Ed Harris. Ed Harris is one of those characters who look like he was born to play a soldier or a cop. And he was General Starkey in The Stand, General Francis X. Hummel in The Rock, Major Koenig in Enemy at the Gates, and the Colonel Buffon in Buffalo Soldiers. He was Special Agent Jason Hudson and did a good job of representing the CIA operative in Call of Duty. So the next character I'll be talking about is Michael Keaton. He's a really great character actor. So he replaced Ed Harris as Jason Hudson in Call of Duty Black Ops 2nd. The next person I'm going to talk about is Kit Harington. We all know him from Game of Thrones. So basically, Rear Admiral Selen Coach is the main antagonist in the upcoming game Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. He is the leader of the Settlement Defense Front and the commander of the starship Olympus Mons. On June 10th, 2016, Activision has confirmed that Kit Harington will play as the villain. Since he is the voice actor of Silent Coach, it is confirmed that Coach will be the main antagonist. Next person is Jason Statham. So Statham was making a name for himself playing characters like Turkish in Snatch, Bacon in Lock, Stock, and Two Smoking Barrels, Handsome Rob in Italian Job, and Frank Martin in The Transporter. He took a role in the very first Call of Duty game. He was the voice of Sergeant Waters. Naturally, he was one of the British soldiers. It's funny to think. Nothing. It's good. Next, I'm gonna talk about Giovanni Ribisi. He's the private elder was a soldier in the 82nd Airborne Division who helped Sergeant Moody and Private Martin. As seen during the events of the original Call of Duty, Giovanni Ribisi has been acting since he was 11 years old. We have seen him grow up on screen. Most recently, he'd been in Ted 2, Dats, and Selma. It's only fitting that he was there in the original Call of Duty 2. He played Private Elder, a paratrooper in 82nd Airborne Division. Next, I'm going to talk about Timothy. He was Sergeant First Class Grinch in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3's Delta Force, who served in the US Army Delta Force in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. He served in Team Metal alongside operators Frost and Truck under the command of Sandman. He served as a designated marksman for the team. Grinch is also known for this consistency of wearing a baseball cap, which he habitually wears forward. Next, I'm going to talk about Gary Oldman. Captain Viktor Reznov was a Russian squad leader of the Red Army in the Call of Duty World at War during World War II. His influence on Alex Mason plays a major part in Call of Duty Black Ops. Next, I'm going to talk about Keith David. He is an incredible actor with 268 credits on IMDb. As you can imagine, this means he is no stranger to video games. So naturally, he is Victor Reznov in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. The next person is Kiefer Sutherland. Sergeant Rio Burke was an American squad leader of the United States Marine Corps in Call of Duty World at War. He is voiced by Kiefer Sutherland. Everybody made a great big deal about Kiefer Sutherland voicing Snake in Metal Gear Solid 5th. I mean, sure, he was replacing the iconic David Hayter, but it wasn't like he hadn't never been appeared in any game before. So he appeared in Call of Duty World at War as Sergeant Rebok too. Next, we will talk about. Okay, give me a minute. So next we will talk about Ice Cube, Chief Petty Officer. Joseph Bowman was a SOG operative who appears in Call of Duty Black Ops. He was Wood's right-hand man. He appears in almost every mission played by Mason until playback, in which he is killed by Spetsnaz operative. He is voiced by and likened to Ice Cube. When it comes to Ice Cube, you tend to associate his video games appearance with the music. So already knew that. After that, we'll talk about Idris Elba has become huge roles ahead of him. He's going to the Roland in the Dark Tower, Himdon in Thor, Ragnarok, and recently was Kral in Star Trek Beyond, Kent in Gorilla, Sher Khan in the Jungle Book. So one has to wonder if he have even have time for a Call of Duty game now. Fortunately, we already were able to enjoy performance as Delta Force Sergeant First Class Truck in Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. So that's about it now. So this is all the top 10 characters from Call of Duty. So please subscribe to my channel and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.